how to make SaaS product website on Wix. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna step by step show you how to create a website on Wix.com. So it may sound complicated, but in fact it's really easy to do, and in a few minutes I will show you how to do it. Firstly, you need to create an account or log into your account on Wix.com. As you can see, I already did it, I'm in my account. So guys, it's completely free to create an account on Wix.com. So feel free to create your account on Wix.com. Next step, you need to click this blue button, create new site. You will be redirected to another page, Wix site creation. Here Wix website offers us to try an AI help, but in this video we don't really need it, so just click to stop without chat. And now we need to choose what type of website do we want to create. So basically we need SaaS website, SaaS product website. Here we can have SaaS startup or software as a service, basically SaaS. This will help Wix.com create a dashboard. You can see it's loading. And the next step is that we need to create a name for website. I'm gonna name it an example just to show you and move on. Don't really need this website. And also here you need to answer about your business address. And the same about your default working hours. You need to complete this by yourself. And also you can add some services for your website. For example, group trainings, online meeting, consultation, in-person appointment, home visit, free intro meeting, weekly group sessions. Or you can create your own service. I'm gonna skip this. And you can add staff members here. Also, you can use some useful tools for your website. For example, offer virtual sessions, accept online payments, manage your services and bookings on the go, and sync your personal Google, Apple or Outlook calendar. So basically choose whatever you want, whatever you need here. And now we are back to our dashboard, and we can see that we still have 6 steps to fill in so that we can have our website. However, I'm sure every user will be able to fill in all of those. It's pretty simple. You just need to connect a custom domain here. Just choose a domain you want to see and click let's go. Also, you need to add your first service, set up your working hours, set up your payment methods. Pretty easy. Meanwhile, we will move straight to this point, design your website. And now we need to decide how exactly you want to design our website. Pick a template or generate a design with the help of AI. I'm going to choose this one because I really like to browse thousands of designs and pick one to customize. Wix.com have plenty of templates and all of those are really nice, as you can see already. Basically, you need to choose the template that you think is the best for you. For example, I'm gonna choose this one. You can choose another one. Then you need to click edit and you will be redirected to Wix website editor. Wix website editor is the best option to create a website because you don't need to you don't need to know any of programming languages such as Python, C++, or C#, maybe Java. You just need to use a website to create another website, to create your own website. I think this is the best about Wix.com, and that's why I highly recommend you to try this website. And now everything is ready. We can move on the most interesting part. Here is your editor's page. You can edit almost everything here. Here we can select which page we are on our site. You can see this is your pages. For example, this is home page. You can have book online page. You can have, for example, my account page here. Here it is. And of course you can manage pages, you can delete some pages, you can change the order, you can add new page. For example, you can delete even the group of pages here, delete bookings for example. And also on the left you have such section functions as add elements, add section, pages and menus, site design, add apps, my business, media, CMS. Also here you can see how every page is divided into several parts, from header here to footer, back to home page, header, footer. Also we have such sections as a welcome section, services, about, brands. You can delete basically every section, for example this one, services, delete. And you can add new section here, for example team section. Just choose a section and drop it anywhere on the page, for example this one, and here you have it. Obviously you can edit this section how you want. You can change the background, you can drag anything you want, you can edit text. So guys, the main tool how to edit almost everything on this website is double clicking. For example, you want to edit this specific section, welcome section, just double click on this section and you will be able to edit this one. Just double click on this text and you are able to edit this text. You can delete this text, write whatever you want here, change the style here, change fonts, font size. You can change the size, change the place. You can add new text. Just click add elements, choose text here and drag it. Also you can add images, buttons, strip, whatever you want. Of course you can delete this one. You can for example delete. You can undo. Basically guys, the site has a lot of functions, so I recommend trying to explore it yourself. The entire interface of the site, as you can see, it's very clear to any user. And when you're done editing your website, you just need to click this blue button, publish, to go live with your site so anyone can see it. So guys, I think that in this video I showed you enough of the basics of using this site. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next videos. Goodbye.